That's my life lately. Alicia, what are you doing? We're gonna fix that. Remy came in and said, nah bitch, let me do it better. These game-changing, whatever you're doing, if you are watching this, you need one of these. Like I said, they're from Amazon.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. What is up? Welcome back to the vlog channel. I was going for like an early 2000s vibe because I was reaching for my lid star from Glossier. This is one I've been using every single day. It's the color Cub. But then when I was reaching for it, I saw the purple one and I was like, wait, this is kind of cute. I'm wearing a white shirt. So I went with the purple and I like low-key really like it. So yeah, we got a little pop of color, which is not normal. And then I took a shower this morning, so I was using the towel scrunchie that I have, the big one. It's literally like soaked. It's crazy. And then I put my hair down and then I was obsessed with the whole like wet hair look. So before my hair dries, I'm gonna try to get an Instagram because I feel like it's so cute. And I'm like, dang, maybe I won't have to actually do my hair today if we just kind of scrunch it. Cute, right? Did you guys ever like so horribly scrunch your hair with a shit ton of gel and hairspray, especially if you don't have naturally curly hair? I just remember Ashley and I, we used to like scrunch our hair and then douse it with like hairspray and stuff, and it was like one of my favorite no heat hairstyles. So maybe we're gonna have to bring her back. I feel like it looks better too with the extensions, but like cute, right? Okay. I know. When was the last time Alicia Marie wore a denim skirt? Honestly, this used to be my go-to. White crop top, denim skirt. My top's from Sorella Boutique. It says girls tour on it and like rhinestones and stuff. So then I figured a denim skirt was just the best thing we could do with that. And then we went with the purple eyeshadow. I feel like we just got a full-on look going on right now. So hopefully my hair dries good. That's kind of the only thing I'm a little worried about, but that's what's going on. Oh wait, and then skirts from Topshop. I honestly don't remember where this necklace is from. Maybe Amazon, maybe Urban. Free People. I think it's from Free People. What shoes do we wear today? I don't know. We do have some Starbucks. Made my day. Oh my god, also I didn't even show you guys if you watched the last vlog. Look at the after of this. I'm sorry. Crazy, I know. Relate to the fact that, you know, you want to dress cute. Yes, we're all stuck at home, but you put on a cute outfit and then you feel very uncomfortable for 2 seconds, so then you just change back into sweatpants. That's my life lately. I was so excited to like feel all cute today, and then honestly, I was just trying to clean in a denim skirt and I was just like, Alicia, what are you doing? No. It's actually become quite a problem because we're all used to sweatpants and jeans just feel like a lot of work. And I already posted an Instagram outfit today, so I was like, what's the point? Showed you guys in a recent vlog, Rem and I going to the Container Store, and told you she was gonna organize the pantry. Not only did she organize the pantry, she actually organized so much in my kitchen, in the freaking hallway. So I don't wanna give all of it away only because she's doing a video on her channel, but I will give you guys a little sneak peek because oh my god, if you are into organization, if you are into cleaning, if you are into beautifully displayed kitchen products, you've clicked the right video. So I still have these freaking drawer dividers, which I've had for a while now. This I've had for so long, and I still have 4 more of these guys. I'll have everything linked down below. As always, affiliate links, normal links, any links. In order to organize the coffee drawer, these little drawer divider things, it comes in a set of 4, so as you can see, we only have 4 here. Amazing. I love the wood on wood. They also have white and stuff. They're actually not even that expensive, to be honest. Like I said, they're from Amazon. Love these. Still have 4 more of these, and I was trying to find the best place to put them. My guess is that we should fix this drawer because it's really freaking messy. Is it organized? No. Was it? Yes. But we all know me, and yeah, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, I think we're gonna officially start on the Tupperware drawer. Okay, I'm really hoping you can see what's going on here. The problem is we don't use half of it, but it's still good, so I don't want to get rid of it. Okay, drawer's empty. I think this is actually gonna work out perfect. We'll figure it out. Wow. Okay, drawer looks amazing, but before I show you the after, I just wanna give you guys a little grocery haul because I got some stuff from our sponsor in today's video, Thrive Markets. Yes, Thrive Market. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've actually really cut back on the grocery shopping hauls ever since, you know, we've all been staying at home. Obviously, I'll totally go to the store if I really need to, but overall, we've just been trying to do our part. So we've been ordering a lot of food as much as possible. And I'm not kidding, I have heard Remy rave about Thrive Market, and I've heard some other YouTubers talk about it. So when they hit me up to work with them, I was actually really freaking excited because I did not realize everything that they offer. I swear. So I'm gonna do a haul for you guys and talk about them for a little bit. Hold on, let me scoot you guys back so you can see what I'm actually showing you. Okay, so like I said, I feel like I've been doing a lot more online memberships when it comes to getting groceries or food delivery, and Thrive, I didn't realize how much of a variety they have, and they actually have good stuff. So Thrive Market is an online membership-based market on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for literally every single person out there. Like, you vegan, awesome. You paleo, awesome. You kosher, awesome. Like, no matter what your diet or lifestyle is, they have everything. And at the top of the website, this is my favorite part, you can just search and it'll filter the whole entire website and all of their products by that. So if you're looking for plant-based and you type in vegan, it'll literally only show products that are vegan, and it just makes it so much easier for you. So much easier. So, little haul for you guys. If you haven't tried plantain chips, you are living under a rock and you are missing out on one of the best things in life. I really don't snack on too many chips, but if I am having like a salty tooth and I'm really wanting something savory, plantain chips are my favorite things ever. They're just great. To be honest, I'd love to try to make my own plantain chips, but I know they would not be as good, so I would rather just buy them. We go through these so fast. Not really shoot. Next thing that I got is another one of my favorite snacks that I don't really talk about much. I love seaweed, like the little seaweed snacks. These things are so freaking good. And if you're ever craving, comes in a package like this, it's so freaking healthy for you. This is also a bomb snack if I'm ever really craving something salty. Or if I'm craving sushi, it kind of just like satisfies. Literally, these are like two of my favorite snacks of the world. Next thing that I got are these Wonder Noodles. Remy also told me about these. So good, gluten-free, very low carb. We got 2 angel hairs and 2 fettuccinis. They're so good. Sometimes I'll make like a healthy like chow mein or spaghetti or something. Honestly, my favorite part is you're always guaranteed savings, which like we all need to save a little coin, you know what I mean? It's great. It's really cool because some subscription sites aren't really worth it for the consumer, but you actually save, I think every member saves around $32 every single time they order from Thrive. So what are you waiting for? Okay, these things you need. You literally need them right now. Mighty Patch, the original, link in the description box. You guys, if you are looking for an acne patch, this is the absolute best thing. I freaked out when I saw these on Thrive because I actually bought like 4 of them a few weeks ago, and I didn't know that Thrive sold these. They are so freaking good. I found out about them because Megan Ranks posted them on Instagram, and I'm not kidding. They are so freaking good. You will definitely hear me talk about these in a future favorites video. So good. Okay, the next thing that I got are some freeze-dried strawberries. If you had Special K with strawberries as a kid, I did too. We're bonding right now. This is, it's just great. I'm all over the place and I'm rambling, but you know what? It's cool. And you're always guaranteed the highest quality foods and products from Thrive, which is really cool. There's no gimmicks, there's no like, there's no surge prices. Like, they literally have everything from like supplements to clean beauty to even just organic groceries. So it's not just groceries. As you can see, I literally got an acne patch thing from there. Next, I got coconut aminos because we were out. This is a really good alternative to soy sauce, especially if you like put this with like some salmon on the grill or like some steak or like shishito peppers. This stuff is so good, and it's way less sodium than traditional soy sauce. And then the last thing that I got are just organic raw cashews because I actually really love cashews. We were out, so I got some more. And that is everything that I got. And yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. If you spend over $49, you actually get free shipping, which is dope. And as far as the packaging, it's 100% recyclable, which I really love. They're just really big on giving back. Even it says your membership sponsors 1 for a family, teacher, student, or veteran, or first responder in need. So I just love that they're always giving back, thinking about that kind of stuff because it's really important. Okay, so if you've been wanting to try out Thrive Market, then definitely do it. I'm gonna have a link in the description box. Go click it and you guys can sign up. They have different membership options. I did the year-round one, which I believe it comes out to about $5 a month, which is really not expensive. Or if that's too much and you kind of want to just try it out at first, you can do 1 month option. Different options. We love options. And honestly, if you try it and you hate it, you have about 30 days to where you can cancel it, get your money back, get a full refund, spend that money somewhere else, or save it, whatever you want to do. But anyways, you probably want to see the final of this drawer because I'm not gonna lie, I popped off. It looks great. Boom. This looks so good. I really hope it stays this organized for a while. I'm really glad I ended up going up with the clear one instead of the wooden dividers. I did take out the one clear divider here because there wasn't enough room for all of the Tupperware, but we have lids on this side, we have Tupperware over here, and then we have some like random stuff here. But overall, guys, this looks great. I'm obsessed. I'm hoping these work out. I know they are kind of short, but I still think it should be good to organize the like lids from the containers and stuff. And then Rem actually didn't use all of the containers that we got from the container store, which surprisingly though, if you guys saw that vlog, we got so much shit. I think there's only what, 3 things left? I think that's pretty good. She also gave me these labels and stuff. It says like chips, flour and stuff. So I might use these. And then Ashley actually got these baskets. Oh my gosh, you need to see them. Not only are they super freaking cute, but they actually go in your fridge and then you can even expand them. So you can put like produce or berries or honestly whatever you really want to. Definitely want to use these just to save space in the fridge because I feel like our fridge is always full, but at the same time I feel like I have no food and it's one of those weird things. She also got these from Amazon, super inexpensive. And yeah, maybe actually this might be better for the Tupperware now that I'm thinking about it, just because it's so deep and a lot of the things are a little deep. But point is, we have leftover containers that we're gonna use. Very stoked, very excited. Oh my God, Ash, are you here to help me organize?
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, I thought you were gonna help me. I showed them my room and because I didn't show them yesterday, so then today I was like, oh, by the way, if you saw the last vlog. Very iconic of us, I know, sister power duo. Okay, I'm not gonna give away everything that Remy did. Like the pantry is the most iconic one, so we're gonna wait on that, but I'll show you a few things. For instance, I don't know if you guys remember what this drawer looked like. This was our, I don't even know what kind of drawer it was, to be honest. Oh my gosh, so organized. We have some Del Taco hot sauce here. We got Crystal Light because duh. Vital Proteins, Liquid IV, some more like hydration things, some cupcake things, towels, stevia. But I was thinking we could actually probably put some of these in here, even just like one right here for the towels. I think we're gonna do that right now. Literally, these are my favorite things ever. I love how they're spring loaded. Yes. Wait, oh my God, I love. Okay. I don't think I want to put the other one here. There's still some like random stuff. Does this not look so much better than it did? It was so bad. There were like random things in here, honestly. So that's amazing and iconic. I know, literally amazing. I don't even know how to thank Remy. The whole time she was saying how it's her biggest dream coming true. And I was like, no, it's my biggest dream coming true. But if you watched me organizing this cabinet that I organized, Remy came in and said, nah bitch, let me do it better. I'm not kidding though. This makes so much more sense. I also don't want to give this away, but I'm gonna show you like one thing that she did. Literally the #1 thing that everyone needs to do. Whatever you're doing, if you are watching this, you need one of these. If you don't already have one, get it. There's a link in the description box. I'll try to find the exact one that I have, but if not, I'll find a similar one. Game changing. And that is da da da, a lazy Susan. Am I the only one who just got on this train? Because it's actually game changing. Okay, no, for real. I figured it would be helpful, but until they were done, I had no idea how much easier it is to actually get the 1 or 2 products that you want. This side over here is all more of like spices, hot sauce, like spicy. And then this section right here is all sweet, except for the salt and pepper, like honey, vanilla, syrup, and all that kind of stuff. So these game changing. These ones are from the Container Store. I really like them. I'm sure you could find similar ones though. Wow, you need it. Oh my God, I love it so much. I also think I'm gonna put another one of these guys right in here, and this way we can separate the hot tool things. Or what are these called? Oven mitt things. Wow, I feel like a new woman. That's all I can say. Like, wow. Guys, who am I? Okay, we have one left of these and I still don't really know where to put her. Also, I realized I totally lost track of what I was doing and I never showed you the baskets in the fridge. Okay, we really like have the most random stuff here and it's kind of empty, but they're completely empty. But these are this freaking baskets. They literally just slide in to your fridge. You can expand them obviously. And this one we had dates and this one we had blueberries, but like, as you can see, we kind of need to get some groceries, but we've actually really been liking them. I will say though, it did take me a while to get used to them. I kept forgetting to look there. Like I kept thinking we were out of blueberries, but then I just kept forgetting to look in the basket. So I will say that's probably like the biggest downfall of it all. Not downfall, what am I saying? Pro, con to it all. I'm sorry, but look at this adorable face. Do you always get up on the chairs? Do you always get up on the table? Yeah? This is literally like her favorite place to sit. She will just like, no shame. Come here, Ro. She doesn't know how to, like if you tell her to come here, she doesn't know, which is kind of sad, honestly. Huh. If you guys are new or you don't know, Rosa Rescue, so it's so sad seeing her not know basic commands that most dogs know. Like normally if you like tap on the couch or something, they know to come, and she doesn't. She just kind of looks at you like, bitch, what are you talking about? Huh. But we are so sweet and we are cuddly. We love that we're cuddly, huh? Okay, so White Fox actually sent over some clothes and I tried to do a TikTok haul type thing. I don't know if it turned out, we will see. So go follow me on TikTok. But they actually sent some really cute stuff. I really, really love the matching sets. I'll show you that just so you, actually no, go watch the TikTok haul.